How to connect Payoneer to Shopify. So this is a very easy and quick tutorial. First, you just have to sign up for Payoneer. It's so easy. They just need your basic information, and also with Shopify, you need to sign up if you don't have an account yet. So other people prefer Payoneer as their payment method. So how are we going to connect this Payoneer to our Shopify store? So first, all you have to do is simply open or log into your Shopify account. This is what it looks like. And then you have to simply scroll down or look for this gear icon or settings, tap this. And then here you have to locate payments. Okay, so under payments, you will see here different payment methods. Okay, we have here choose a provider. We have here supported payment methods. We have here manual payment methods customization. So first, you just have to click this choose a provider, tap this one here, and then here under payment providers, you just have to go to the search bar and then type Payoneer. So once you tap Payoneer, you will see here Payoneer checkout native card. So you have to tap this one. And then what you want to do is to simply install Payoneer first. You have to tap install or this install button here. And then they will ask for, of course, permission. Okay, it needs access to the following. Click install. And then after that, wait for a couple of seconds as it is processing. Now you see here that this Payoneer is install. But actually, if not, what you want to do is to click this manage account. So once you tap this, if you haven't created a Payoneer account yet, then all you have to do is to click register. And then, of course, you can choose whatever type of account you want. So here, once you have clicked or connected your, or once you install your Payoneer, it will take you directly to your personal details. So all you have to do is to enter your payment details here. Okay, business details. And then once done, all you have to do is to click submit and wait for their response to that. Okay, so yes, that's it. That's the very first method here on how to connect your Payoneer to your Shopify. Now, in case you cannot see that Payoneer as your payment provider here, then you have to scroll down and tap the supported payment method. So maybe if you can see it above, you can see it here. So go to search by provider and then type Payoneer here. But unfortunately, in my region or my country, I cannot see that payment or Payoneer here under search by provider. So sometimes it depends on the region or country, or it depends on your Shopify account. So either ways, if you can see it above, then maybe you can see it right here. Now, if not, then it would be also a suggestion that if you can see that option right here in your Shopify, then you can go to your Payoneer account. And then here, what you want to do is to simply look for get paid and then tap this receiving accounts right here. And then here you have to select for what account you want to open. Okay. Now, all you have to do is to provide documents and then wait for their approval. Now, once your account is approved, then probably under account details, you will see an option that says um, marketplace or connect to marketplace. So, in order to provide you a rapid, easy, and affordable ways to send money, Payoneer has worked with top affiliate networks, business and application, e commerce, and freelance markets. So, maybe you can see that specific marketplace here in Payoneer, for example, your Shopify account or something like that. Okay, so if that is, you cannot see the Payoneer under Shopify account as your payment provider. And then also another thing, another method here is you can go to manual payment method and then tap this create custom payment method here. Now, if you can see that Payoneer above, you can see it under payment provider or supported payment provider. Then you can try this create custom payment method. Here, what you want to do is to simply tap this and then kindly type Payoneer as your custom payment method. Okay, type Payoneer. And then for additional details, then you can add email address. Okay, email address. And then for payment instructions, yes, everything is up to you. How you're going to instruct that person or the customer or client. So this is like displays the customers after they place an order with this payment method. So what they can get, they can send a list of their orders, and then also the screenshot of their orders, and then the confirmation of their orders, and then the confirmation of the payment. Okay, something like that. So actually, everything is up to you here. You can just type everything here so that it would be clear for the customer, for the client, and for you. So yes, once you're done with this, and then you can click activate, then you will see here that you have chosen Payoneer as your uh, manual payment method or payment method. So that's it. But it's always a good idea to choose the very first one because, the number one method is way easier. So again, in case you can see that Payoneer here under payment providers and you want to continue that, again, you just have to tap this choose a provider, and then you have to type Payoneer. So let me go to payments again. Okay. So yes, under payments, you have to go to choose a provider, and then this time you have to look for Payoneer. Okay. So tap this, the very first one that will appear. So let me type it again, Payoneer, and you will see here some of the supported, payment providers. For example, you can connect it to Visa, MasterCard, and so on. Okay. And then manage account. Okay. So again, if you haven't created a Payoneer account, then you have to create first. You have to register first. Okay, so tap manage account and then click register. And if you have an account already, then you can just simply enter the details here. Again, they will just need some basic information like your name, surname. Okay, we can solve first. They also need your email address, and you have also to provide a valid ID for that. It could be driver's license, national ID, depends on the requirements per city, per country, or per region, something like that. Okay, so all you have to do is to answer this. Okay, this is just an example. Okay, answer the following here. Okay, what is the e-commerce platform you want to choose? For example, a Shopify or a Build, something like that. Get answer the country here and the amount that you can receive monthly. Okay, the country. Okay, and then select this and then click submit, and then you just have to wait for their approval. So thank you for applying to Payoneer. After that, once you're approved, then you can just simply connect your Payoneer to your Shopify, and that's how easy it is. Okay, so there are a few methods you can choose from this tutorial. So that's how to connect Payoneer to Shopify. Thank you for watching, and see you again in our next tutorials.